Got random batteries lying around the house and not sure if they're even good? In this video, we're going to show you a handy little gadget to keep around the house to help solve this issue. Here we have a universal digital battery tester. Features a digital display function, level indicator chart in the back, and accommodates batteries of all sizes. Here we have terminals for your 9-volt battery, a slider slot that fits D-sized to flat-button batteries. We'll start with a D-sized battery. Just slip in between the slider and press battery ends firmly against the terminals. We have 1.33 volts. Let's check the chart in the back. The 1.33 falls within the good range, so this is a keeper. Next we'll try a AAA. We have 1.45 volts. It falls within range, so this is good. Let's check the rest of these. This one doesn't register voltage at all. It's going into the garbage. Here we have a AA. Shows 1.47 volts, so this one is good too. Let's try a button-sized battery. Now this one is a 3-volt battery, so the range would be different from the chart. And make sure to match the positive and negative sides to the correct terminals. We have 3.2 volts, so this one is good. Now let's try a brand new battery just to show this tester is accurate. We have 1.59 volts, above the 1.5 range, so this is perfect condition. There you go, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.